What's up, everybody? Today we're going to do Tutorial Tuesday. We're going specifically over the jumping squat. Today we're going right into the jumping squat. What a phenomenal fast twitch muscle fiber activation. I'll go right into an example of how to do it correctly, and then we'll go over technique and points and stuff that you guys can do at your own house. So what we're gonna do, coming down, coming all the way up. So just to give an example of what it looks like, I'll do a side angle. Also, so the points here is that you want to be really, really light on your feet. So as you come down into the full squat, and if you haven't checked out the squat, check out our other Tutorial Tuesday to go over the correct squat before going into the jumping squat. Coming down into your heels, and as you come all the way up, you're gonna come up onto your toes, explode up off of the ground. And then same thing when you come back down. You're going to absorb the weight from the ball of your feet all the way down into your heels, and think of yourself as a shock. Like, think of yourself as being able to absorb the weight like shocks in a truck. So what I see a lot of is people will stop. So they'll jump, stop. You can hear how my feet land. You can right away tell all that pressure is going to your lower back. So it's really, really important to absorb the weight, keeping that chest upright. And what you can do is start with just doing a set where you're barely jumping off the ground. So you're just really, really lightly, just to be able to get the absorbing weight feeling. And then working up to the point where you're doing more explosive, reaching for height. So you're actually coming up as high as you can, still focusing. You can hear with my feet that it's light and it's absorbing. This is phenomenal for fast twitch muscle fiber activation. Being able to get cardio. I mean, right away, I can already feel the cardio. You do like 3 sets of 10 of this at your own house, and just being able to go over form, that's a phenomenal way just to incorporate this into your daily routine. Thank you guys for tuning in today. I appreciate you guys. Go ahead and hit that like, subscribe button. Check out our other videos. See you guys in the next video.